Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a live face detection algorithm using OpenCV and PyCamera 2 on your Raspberry, so with your camera. To do this, we will use the haar cascade classifiers, which are these descriptors used to detect edges, lines, borders, etc. on the picture and then to detect the face. So for this demonstration, I'm using a Raspberry Pi 4B running with the 64-bit version of the BookWorm OS. I have already created my script, but I'm going to explain it. I can enter my script with nano facedetection.py. So here is my script, and you can see here I'm using the cascade classifier used with CV2, but we have to download it. So you can go to this website, github.com/opencv/opencv, and you can download the zip file. When it's downloaded, you can go to your download folder, do a right click on the zip file and extract here. Then you have this folder created, and inside, if you go to data, haar cascades, you can find the file we will use, so haar cascade underscore frontal face underscore default. Now let's go back to the script. First of all, I import CV2 and from PyCamera 2, import PyCamera 2. Then I create my classifier named Face Cascade and I use the CV2 library, so cv2.cascade classifier, and then I enter the path of the classifier used, so the frontal face default. So here you can find the path and don't forget to add the name of the classifier. Then I create a function detectFace which requires an image. To this image, I apply the classifier which will return the coordinates of the faces on the picture. So it can detect more than one face. So I save the coordinates in the variable coord and I apply the classifiers, so face cascade dot detect multiscale on the image. So it can detect a face with different scales. Then, for each face, I draw a rectangle on the image with the following coordinates. The rectangle starts at the position x, y, and ends at the position x plus width and y plus height. The rectangle is wide, so 255, 255, and 255. The thickness is 5, and I return the image. Then I create my object camera named PyCam2, which is equal to PyCamera2. I configure the camera, so the first setting is the size of the camera. I chose 1280 and 720. And then I choose the format in RGB 888, so with 8 bits. This line is mandatory, otherwise OpenCV will think it's in BGR and not RGB. Then I can start the camera. Then let's apply the algorithm to the camera. So we can start with a while true. Im is equal to pycam2.capture underscore array. So to get the array of the camera, because OpenCV works with the arrays. And then I apply the function detectFace with the image of the camera. So in this part, the algorithm finds the faces on the picture and draw on the picture. We can do a cv2.imShow of the image with the face detected. We name the window preview, and then if we click on the letter Q, we break the while loop, we stop the camera, and we destroy all windows. So let's try it. If I run the script, you can see me with the rectangle following my face.